Hello friends, today we are going to learn about MOON-BUGGY installation. Now open the terminal and type apt space install MOON-BUGGY. Now type MOON-BUGGY. You can see the result. It is type of game. Space is used to jump. Enjoy this game. Thank you. Have a nice day.
With